and no, I am not gonna purchase this product again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a review video, as you have already seen from the title itself. But I bought all these products in the month of June, so I've been trying all these out for quite a while now, and I guess it's the right time to make this video because I'm not really someone who just gets a product and just tries it for a week or so and then makes a video on it, because I guess I should be really honest with what I'm sharing here, because a lot of us really depend on such reviews and then we tend to buy anything out there in the market. And again, I want to say another thing, that I am not trying to promote any brand or defame any brand. This is not a sponsored video. These products have been bought by me because I wanted it and I wanted to try them out. And again, I bought them after I went through certain reviews, but they didn't match with my experiences. So I am here making this video. So I'm starting off this video with how I came across this product, what my first product was, and then from my favorites in the decreasing order. So I'll begin this video by telling you guys how I came across this brand and the first impression I had about it. So the first time I tried their products was back in 2019, when I had a collaboration with this brand, and they sent me this anti-pollution daily face cream for dry and oily skin with turmeric and Paluse Stop. I'm extremely sorry that I don't have this product now, but I'll put a picture of it somewhere here in this video so that you can see that I did have this collaboration, because otherwise it would be not appropriate to comment on this product. I don't have it right now with me, so I won't really talk much about this product because first, I don't have this product with me, and secondly, that was a collaboration, so I don't really want to speak about anything or any product in this video which was sponsored even before if it was. But one thing I would really like to say is that that was my first time when I tried out Mamaearth's products, and I really loved it because the product is very gentle, light, non-greasy, and it gives you a very natural glow. I absolutely loved it. Moving on to the next part of the video is the second product which I bought. It is the Skin Correct Face Serum from Mamaearth, especially for acne marks and scars. Honestly, I bought this product because one of my friends referred this product to me, and she is also a beauty blogger, so I trust her with her recommendations because our skin type is almost the same. This product is mainly formulated for people who has acne scars or some pimple marks which are very ziddy and they don't really want to go. So my first impression about this product was really nice, because once you try this product, it gives you that immediate glow and your skin is very smooth and dewy, and it was really nice. And I tried this product regularly for a week and my skin texture improved. I got that glow. I usually apply the serum at night because it's a treatment serum. One thing which is really good about this product is that it's paraben and silicone free, so these are the two ingredients you must avoid when purchasing a skincare product, be it anything. So if you ask me whether I would buy this product the second time or not, then yes, it's a yes. My skin felt a lot better when I applied this. I mean, the next morning when I woke up, it felt a lot smoother, very fresh and glowy, and I really loved that. So yes, it's a definitely yes, and I would suggest that if you guys are looking for something to make your skin feel good, and please go ahead and buy. Since this product is really nice and it did improve my skin texture, I would suggest that you can try this product out yourself. So now this is the most interesting part of the video because my opinions are gonna change really fast. Sorry guys, but so I bought these products as a combo offer from this site, and I did my research really well before buying these products because recently I was facing a lot of hair fall problems, and I was really anxious at that point. I really wanted to get a product which is really nice and which can make my hair really smooth and improve the texture and reduce the hair fall to a certain extent. So the products which I'm talking about is, it is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar for hair fall control. Guys, I honestly did a lot of research about these two products and I was so disappointed after I bought them, because one, I saw so many videos. I am really sad that I didn't get the honest reviews as such, but I guess it worked fine for them, and I read very good reviews about this product. Like, firstly, I would talk about the good thing about this product. Now, the good thing is this does make your hair very smooth, soft, and that's it. The things which I didn't like about this product is that A, it doesn't reduce your hair fall. So if you're buying this product in expectation that this would reduce your hair fall, no, this won't reduce your hair fall, because it didn't in case of mine. The other thing which I didn't like about this product is that it didn't make my hair manageable, it didn't make my hair shiny, and it didn't stop hair fall. So if you ask me personally that whether I would suggest anyone about this product or not, it's a big no, because I have such a mixed review about this product. It's just that I won't be able to, guide someone towards it. I won't say that this product was a big mistake for me. This was a good try, and no, I am not gonna purchase this product again. And the last one, so sorry, but the last one is, it is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil for hair fall control. I'm so sorry to say, but this has been my worst purchase till date. I didn't expect this from Mamaearth, because I really have a lot of hopes from this brand, and no product out there can work 100% for you, so I understand that. But as I understand that, I also do know that when I'm investing money in some product and it works completely opposite of what it claims, then it's a big shock for me. Very strangely, I came across some videos and I came across some reviews which states that this product improved their hair within a day or overnight or within even a few minutes. I really hate to say it, but I don't know. Probably it might work for them, but it didn't work for me. It didn't work for my mother, because this product increased my hair fall to some another level, and this was so evident. This is a very hyped product, so I bought it and I tried. I usually like applying oil overnight or keep it on my hair for some 20 to 30 minutes. I tried this product for about 4 times before concluding this. First day when I tried, after I washed my hair, the hair fall was so alarming that I was very shocked. But I didn't blame the oil at that point, because so I was facing hair fall issues back then, so I didn't really want to blame something which I just tried once. And when I tracked my hair fall pattern for a few days, then I came to this conclusion that no, I don't have such alarming hair fall problems as I had that day after washing. So I again applied the hair oil, and this was the second time, and the next day I again faced the same issue. Third and fourth time I kept this onion oil for about 30 to 40 minutes. It did cause a lot of hair fall, and I was then like, I can't experiment with this product. This is not working for me. It just did a lot of damage. No, this isn't the oil that works for all hair types, that works for everybody, and no, it doesn't guarantee that your hair fall will stop. So I am very disappointed to some people who have claimed that this product works wonders for them, and so this product is a must buy. Everybody should buy. Onion hair oil is a big time no from my end, and I'm not trying to defame the brand. The brand is amazing. Some product might suit you, some product might not suit you, but the hair care products I have tried before have worked really well for me. Extremely sad to tell people who thought that this hair oil will cure your hair fall problems. No, it won't. I won't get enough of repeating this, but we all are very different. I might be that one person for whom this product didn't work. So okay, I guess this is it, and So this was my honest reviews about some of the products I used. I tried for 2 months, and if you liked my honest opinion about this, so please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do subscribe, like my video, don't forget to comment and share as well, and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye.